Hello everyone, grab the top section of the hair and move it to the left and make a ponytail and create a gap by using your finger and drop the tail into it. Then with the bottom section of the hair, make a ponytail on the bottom right, and after that split the remaining hair into three, then have it braided in a thicker manner. Then move on to the ponytail on the top and have it split them into three parts and have it braided the same way as we did before. Then secure the end with the rubber band and move the bottom braid into the top and have it placed by having a little hairpin. Now move the top braid into the bottom and have it in place by dropping a lovely hairpin of course. Grab the top section of the hair and split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, have the end secure with the rubber band, then have it tie with another rubber band, then comb the remaining hair a little bit and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of it, make a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and make the entire bun move to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Comb the top section of the hair a little bit and have a rubber band attached to it, making a ponytail, and pinch out their hair on the top section for making a loopy design. Then split the tail into two and have it crisscross each other, making a thick braid, and roll it in a clockwise manner and secure it underneath the bun we just now created by having a little hairpin. And after that, the remaining section of the hair, split them into two parts and have a loopy braid and make them go around the bun we created first. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have a left strip of the hair, split them into two parts and have one part of it and also another part of the ponytail combined together into a one braid. Do grab another section of the hair the right side and do the same braiding as we did for the left and secure the end with the rubber band. Then combine both the braids together with another rubber band and drop in your favorite hair clutcher onto it. And make a ponytail out of it, then split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner until the middle way, and split the remaining hair into two and have a rubber band the bottom middle part and make a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and make it as a bun and have it secure around the bun we created by using a little hairpin, then drop in your favorite hair clip collection. Grab the top section of the hair and split them into four parts and have it into a thicker braid. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding in three parts manner and also the right section as well. Then combine all the braids together and move it to the top temporarily with the back section of the hair and make the tail go from bottom to top and have the braids come back and secure with the common rubber band and drop in your favorite hair clip. Make a ponytail and split them into three parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner from top to bottom. Then once when you complete the braid, have the braids end secure with the rubber band and roll it anti-clockwise and secure the tip by holding it placed with a little hairpin. Then bring the left section back and braid it in two parts manner and make it over the bun we created and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Comb the sections of the hair this side and combine together with the rubber band and have another rubber band the top middle part and drop the tail into the middle one and make it go to the top by having a heart in shape. Then secure that by having a long hairpin and combine them together at the bottom. Then drop in your favorite hairpin collection. Thank you everyone.